For those of you less familiar, MotoGP is the most exciting sport on earth. That's objective fact. It's not just.
Espera, Ucho, ahora mi por favor una.
Right. Third time, and it's such an amazing city. It's crazy how quick
massages that you try to recover as quick as possible. E questo qua, questo qua che cos'è?
sono veramente troppi.
Questo è grosso, questo è un palazzone grosso.
Sì. Allora, sotto c'è Highline, che è bellissima,
Alright, guys.
che hanno fatto, che è una vecchia stazione.
On to our next one.
Una stazione vecchia via di entrambi.
This is Tasia, guys.
Vertical. Mire para arriba. Lo tenemos.
Because too many things undergoing, and for sure the focus. Oh,
Un po' di video.
perché in serio? Tipo, sicuro? Non sicuro. Sicuro? Non sicuro. L'hai mai visto il film, quello lì, le tue aspettative di vita, con me, senza di me? Con me, questo è sicuro? Non sicuro.
Che film è?
Chi è che c'è? Tom Cruise con, come si chiama quella?
Cameron Diaz.
Con Cameron Diaz. È un film bellissimo, devi vederlo, però non mi ricordo il titolo. Cavolo, dopo te lo cerco.
Te l'hai
Filmone,
riconosciuto dalla scena?
È un filmone. Tipo lui glielo fa. We are a great team, full creative with a lot of ideas, crazy ideas, and one of those was to be the first to bring a MotoGP bike on edge and to present a bike in New York like this. So as a rider, that also as a passionate about design and these things, I'm fully proud of the team and Aldo and all the creative behind for making it happen. So thanks again for coming. This is so special for us.
How many times have you done it?
Oh!
So this bike is first time that we make like art on the bike. Aldo make something very special. We can see here also the flag from US. We have also part of the track of Austin. Our riders. Also here in the top we have Valentino and Ucho. So it's a very special design. So how do you feel, Franco?
Well, it's definitely a kind of livery that I've never seen in my life. Such a piece of art on a motorcycle. It's impressive. It's very, it's full of fantasy and full of Aldo's touch. So it's definitely something special. We are used to different things when we see special liveries, and yeah, the team brought this for the first time, and if there was a team that could have brought this kind of livery and this kind of touch on a MotoGP bike, it was us. Thanks to Aldo that did an amazing work as always, and yeah.
Aldo, say
Start.
Yes,
Nah.
Can you imagine? I made the draw of that bike in my office on a white paper by hand, and now I am with friends. That is the fantastic story. I'm with friends in New York to show that bike. I hope you like it, and I hope that this kind of design give extra energy to the team. But the team is the top. It's a team of friends, and for me it's a big honor. Thank you very much, guys. And that is a job that is, there is something on the back, because the relation with Valentino, Uso, and with the guys, the riders, and Pablo is a long story. So, that is the, thank you very much.
Jordi, una foto. Okay, guys, 1 second. Necesito la internet.
No problem.
Very quickly, we're just going to do a couple of quick photos. We're going to include Kelly in here. And then once we're done with this, photographers were here. We're going to give you guys some sessions with the bike and a couple of different placements for different vantage points. And then after we do that, there's a couple of people here who are scheduled for interviews. We'll come find you and get to you for your interview sessions. So hang tight. One more photo here, and then photographers, we're going to bring you guys to some sessions with the bike.
Vale. El trofeo lo acercamos por. El trofeo lo acercamos y lo dejamos ahí. ¿Sí? Vale. Aldo. One more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Guys, please.
I know.
Pucho. Que estás emocionado. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
If you can get
Paul.
us two riders with the bike. Gigi and Frankie.
How can I end a live? I've never done a live before.
Okay.
Can I save it?